Nah, udah ya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Ya.
Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good
Waalaikumsalam.
evening, Miss Aftina. So tonight we're going to talk about scientific literature, starting from the meaning of it, and then we're going to talk about types of scientific literature. At the end, we're going to give out a few examples. But before we going into it, we're going to introduce ourselves. Myself, my name is Muhammad Ajmal Azkia, and then my colleagues.
My
Uh,
name is Jundi Rahmatika Ahmad, and
And my name is Azka Fauziah.
okay, the first one is Azka.
Okay, what is scientific literature? Scientific literature refers to a body of written works that communicate research, finding, theories, and knowledge in various scientific fields. It serves as a foundation for scientific progress by documenting discoveries, experiments, and observation, allowing researchers to build upon each other works. The primary purpose of scientific literature is to share reliable, evidence-based information that has been critically reviewed by experts in the field. It includes various types of publications such as research article, review article, conference paper, and case studies, as contributing to our understanding of specific scientific questions or problems.
All right, the second one is Jundi.
okay, thanks Akmal. Now I want to explain about types of scientific literature. One is conducting research or experiment. Two, research study or empirical research. Three, art and humanities research article. And four, scientific journal or scientific article. Uh, the Conducting research or experiment journal, often referred to as an original research article or primary research article, is a scientific article that contains a complete report on original research or experiment that have been carried out by the author. Structure is first abstract, second an introduction, method, result, discussion, conclusion, and reference. Okay, next, Ajmal. And research study or empirical research. Research studies or empirical research is a type of research based on collecting and analyzing data from observation or experiments. In empirical research, researchers conduct or structure observation or experiments to test hypotheses or answer research question with real data, not just based on theory or assumption. A key feature of empirical research is that it relies on evidence-based search. Uh, element of research uh, Element of research studies or empirical research. First, formulation of hypothesis or research question. Two, data collection. Three, data analysis method. Four, results and interpretation. And five, conclusion and or implication. Okay, next, Ajmal. Thank you. Next is art and humanities research article. Research article in art and humanities are scholarly works that focus on the critical study, analysis, and interpretation of cultural phenomena, history, art, language, and other aspects related to humanity. Articles in this field often use qualitative approach and interpretive methods in contrast to quantitative methods common in the natural or social science. Characteristic of research article in the fields of art and humanities. One, qualitative and interpretative approach. Two, critical literature review. Three, text or artifact analysis. Four, use of humanities theory. And five, has a more flexible flow according to the needs of the analysis. with sections such as theoretical background, critical analysis, thematic discussion, and conclusion. Next is scientific journal. A scientific journal is a periodic publication containing a collection of scientific articles published regularly, example, monthly, quarterly, or annually by an academic institution, university, or specialist publisher. Characteristic of scientific journal: one, periodic; two, peer review; three, standard structure such as IMRID, introduction, methods, results, and discussion; four, reference and citations; five, accredited publication.
All right. Lastly, we give you two examples. Two of them is about psychology. The first one is about Skinner box operant conditioning. So this article is a research type article because it has three key features, which is methods and experimental procedure, results, and then discussion. So this article is exploring about the use of zebrafish as a model to understand behavioral flexibility. The second one, this is a historical overview and analysis of the Sigmund Freud Institute. So this article is a literature type article, and it doesn't contain a usual structure of scientific research, and it doesn't have a chart or a graph or a graphic. Okay. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this presentation has given you valuable knowledge. Have a nice day, have a nice night. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Oke, sudah.
Oke, makasih Mal. Nanti linknya kirim ya Mal.
Mantep. Iya ya, tar aku kirim.
Oke, link YouTube-nya ya.
Oke, thank you guys, thank you.
Oke, makasih Mal, ya makasih Aska.